How to change default homepage in Google Chrome browser. In this video, I will show you simple steps to change the default homepage in Google Chrome browser. Whether you want to start with your favorite website or custom page, these step-by-step instructions will help you customize your Chrome browser. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. Now click three dots located at the top right side. Now from the options, click Settings. On the left panel, click Appearance. Here you will find the option Show Home button with toggle button. Just enable this option and Home button will be added to Chrome browser. Now select the option Enter Custom Web Address. Here enter website address that you wish to open when clicked on Home button. Let's enter website address. Once done, click on Startup option on the left panel. Here you will get three options to choose from on Chrome Startup. 1. Open a new tab page. 2. Continue where you left off. And 3. Open a specific page or set of page. Just select Open a specific page or set of page option. Now click Add a new page. Now enter a website address. So whenever you open Chrome browser, this website will be opened. So that is how you can change default homepage in Google Chrome browser. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.